And here is the last part of chapter 5. It's about remove duplicates in an integer array. We have an array that contains integers and we would like to remove duplicates. We have a first approach that's sorting, and the steps as follows. Sort the array, take 2 pointers. A subarray will be created for all unique elements starting from 0 to the first pointer. The first pointer points to the last index of the subarray. The second pointer iterates through the array from 1 to the end. Unique numbers will be copied from the second pointer location to the first pointer location, and the same elements are ignored. All right, time complexity, n log n, and time to remove duplicates is a function of n. The overall is n log n. And here is the example, remove duplicates. All right. The next topic is searching for an element in 2D sorted array. The array is two-dimensional and it is sorted, all right? And we are trying to find an element in it. Given a two-dimensional array, each row and column are sorted in ascending order, okay? Two-dimensional array. How would you find an element in it? How would you find an element in it? How would you find an element in it? The algorithm works as, to find an element, we follow this 5 steps algorithm. Start with element at last column and first row. If the element is the value we are looking for, return true. We found it. If the element is greater than the value we are looking for, go to the element at the previous column, the same row. So go back 1 column, step back 1 column. If the element is less than the value we are looking for, go to the element in the next row, the same column. Return false if the statement is not found after searching the element in the last column. All right. And here's the example of how to implement it. Find element in two-dimensional array. So this is a sorted two-dimensional array. We are trying to find an element in it. We follow this algorithm, and here's the implementation of the algorithm. And now we reach the end of chapter 5, and here's the exercises. And we are skimming this book. We are just browsing it really quick. So if you'd like to explore every single detail in depth, try to solve these exercises. Pay attention to the hints. Here's more exercises about chapter 5, which is related to the search. More exercises. And next video will be about chapter 6, which is about sorting. We finished searching in chapter 5. We'll be talking about sorting in chapter 6.